Hey, it's Mike here from Countrywide Motor Company. Behind me, we've got an LS powered station wagon by Holden. Now, this is an Adventra. It is also four-wheel drive. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know anyone else in the world that made an LS powered four-wheel drive station wagon. Let's have a look around it. Now, every now and again I buy a car that I think people are going to look back on and wonder why they didn't buy one they had a chance. We've all seen those cars. We've all had one in the past that we wish we'd bought or wish we'd kept because now it's worth a whole lot more money than it was back then. I've heard people swapping cars for boxes of beer that are now worth tens of thousands of dollars. But anyway, I reckon this is going to be one of those ones that you won't want to let slip between your fingers. It's a 2004 Holden Adventra LX8. So everyone was chasing Monaros and SS Commodores and HSVs at the time, and these were quietly slipping underneath their radar. But today I think they're finally about to get the recognition that they actually deserve. One of the things that I enjoy most about buying cars is finding something that's a little bit different, and the easy option would have been like another Commodore SS or HSV. But when this Adventra came up, it immediately caught my attention. It's travelled 174,000. The previous owner had it for like 12 years. It's tidy, it's original, and underneath, of course, it's running the legendary 5.7 litre LS1 Generation 3 V8. And of course, the difference is everything that's actually wrapped around the engine. You've got a station wagon, and you've got full-time all-wheel drive. Obviously, that wagon's got the practicality and the ability to throw the family, the dog, the camping gear. You can chuck your tow bar on the back there and you can head away for the weekend. And Holden never really built anything else quite like it. And the question I've posed earlier on today in the video is, has anyone else ever made an all-wheel drive V8 LS1 station wagon? I don't think they have. Now, under the bonnet, this is why obviously most people are here, it's the LS1. One of Chevy's greatest engines. It's swapped into a whole lot of other project cars and whatnot over the years. It's simple, it's reliable, it sounds awesome. It's got huge aftermarket support. It's easy to live with as well. On the inside, of course, it's got all the creature comforts. You've got air conditioning, you've got leather seats, you've got cruise control. Also, you'll find it's got a sunroof as well, so you can let the summer rays in, let the heat out. And of course the Adventra's got those roof rails and the lovely little panel at the back there. I don't think any other Holden had that either. Certainly not standard anyway. So who do I think this suits? Well, I think this suits someone who wants a Holden V8 but doesn't necessarily want the obvious choice. You know, maybe you've owned an SS, maybe you've had a Monaro, maybe you had an HSV, or maybe you just want something simply that stands out, and when people ask, what's that? Because trust me, you'll get asked. And maybe you just don't care and you want a V8 all-wheel drive workhorse. Well, this will do that as well. Comes with service history. But anyway, if you're interested, jump on our website, CWMC.co.nz, where you'll find a photo gallery, finance applications, and of course finance is available for approved applicants. We're happy to have a look at your trade-in. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We buy some pretty interesting vehicles and we've got plenty more on the way. I'm Mike from Countrywide Motor Company. We've got good people and we've got fair deals.